up to a scream. Sleeping in is just a dream. Pellet cups flipped on the floor. Now they're yelling, give me more. Tuesday, step up, they bite my thumb. Pretend they're scared, then chase me for fun. Feathers floating in my coffee mug. Still I kiss their heads, my little cuddle bugs. Bird, parrot, chaos. These tiny tyrants rule the house. They poop on my hoodie. Can't help but laugh out loud. They chew the rent bill, shred my plans. I mix their chop while they do their little dance. When days are tough, they snuggle close and cheer me up. Oh yeah, that's bird parent love. Wednesday, screaming at the mailman like he's plotting some evil plan. I explain for the 1000th time, he just brings boxes, he's actually kind. Thursday, bathing in a salad bowl, soaked to the chest, but it feeds my soul. Then they dry off right on my hair. Now I'm walking around with a nest up there. Bird, parrot, chaos. These tiny tyrants rule the house. They poop on my hoodie. Can't help but laugh out loud. They chew the rent, they'll shred my plans. I mix their shop while they do their little dance. And days are tough, they snuggle close and cheer me up. Oh yeah, that's bird parent love. Friday night, friends wanna go out. I stay home, oh, I'm a bird nerd now. Saturday, we learn a brand new word. It's my bad habit now, sung by a bird. Sunday, nappy crawl in my sleeve. Warm little heartbeat snuggling into me. I whisper, you hijacked my whole routine. They blink at me like, yeah, but you're my human being. Bird, parent, chaos. These tiny tyrants rule the house. They